We are in Athens, Greece for the Keyrock Offsite 2025.
Just seeing faces I haven't seen for months and years, and big hugs, and just so happy to be together again. That's my favorite moment.
Everyone's very open-minded and wants to share their knowledge, and at the same time are willing to expand boundaries of their knowledge and are open to learning more.
So we had workshop times where we had time to collaborate with our teams. Then we had sessions where our people from the company prepared presentations.
In Keyrock, everyone's always so warm. There's no such thing as a silly question. It's honestly such a positive and helpful environment.
The core idea why we do this is that we do believe that the remote culture is a fundamental pillar to attract top talent. We started to realize what were the key elements to ensure that a remote culture will be effective. You manage to create a long-lasting relationship and a long-lasting culture in the company.
There's been a lot of opportunities to get to know other people. We could be, kind of silly together. We can be a bit competitive.
I think they're important because seeing the size of the company physically all together, synchronized and working on projects, it's very rewarding and it's energizing. It's truly something amazing.
Increases the bond between everyone in the company and aligns everyone to the target where we want to get.
It builds a relationship, and it helps to work all towards the same objectives. It just strengthens the relationship and then the work environment.
Everyone's been so positive. It's a bigger group now, I think the biggest it's ever been for any offsite. So everyone was ready to meet everyone, mingle and talk. So I personally think that everyone was on fire and it was super, super fun. Just overall a really amazing experience and a nice way to see Greece.
Really fantastic experience and great way to meet colleagues at Keyrock.
We balance connection and flexibility. People that are here are very diverse from every corner of the world. We have a huge range of people from across the company and specializations. We've had really a wonderful time.